Gloated, 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 tremendously, 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 dissemination, 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 infinite, 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 increased, 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 constitutes, 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 imperative, 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 service, service, service. You can be anything you want to be only if you will believe in yourself and work it out. Hi family member, welcome to the 23rd day of the 31 days journey. Wow, it has been an amazing journey. If you're seeing me for the first time, you're so welcome. This journey has started 23 days ago. Yes, if you're just joining us, you're a bit late, but you can still join. Okay, if you're seeing me for the first time, so welcome to the channel. Right here, this is what we do. We learn how to read right, speak right, and actually write right. Then join the family by subscribing, and if you're my returning subscriber, it has been amazing. I have seen your comments. Yeah, so I've been reading your comments actually. So from your comments, I got the courage that my students actually love this 31 days journey, so that has been giving me enough strength to move on. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, I know you are ready. Are you prepared? So let's dive right into the video. Information, 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 endless, 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 population, 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 market, 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 mirage, 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 choice, 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 various, 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 informal, 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 persuaded, 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 convince, 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 people, 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 reminded, 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 reassured, 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 respective, 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 advertising, 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 brands, 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 service, 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 sponsor, 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 infinite, 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 product, 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 applicable, 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 this, 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 person, 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 something, something, something. Messages, messages, messages. Media, media, media. Print, print, print. Electronic, electronic, electronic. Large, large, large. Present, present, present. Number, number, number. True, true, true. Potential, potential, potential. Bias, bias, bias. Target, target, target. Audience, audience, audience. Curse, curse, curse. Popular, popular, popular. Component, component, component. Promo tools, promo tools, promo tools. So here are the 2 letters, 3 letters, and 4 letter words we're likely going to see on today's comprehension. So let's read them together. Is, of, or, in, by, to, be, as. Again, is, of, or, in, by, to, by, as. Now to 3 letter words we have our, the, way, one, and, mix, has, for, his, but. Again, our, the, way, one, and, mix, has, for, his, but. And to 4 letter words we have most, same, have, this, may, play, fame, meet, with, when, make, sell, from, mass, that. Again, most, same, have, this, play, fame, meet, with, when, make, sell, from, mass, that. Okay, so this is the output of our words pronunciation. So we put them together and we have this. So today's topic is advertising. Advertising. So let's read together. Today, our market is glutted with infinite or endless brands of products. In the same way, the world's population has increased tremendously. The people constitute the market for this myriad of brands. Again, today our market is glutted with infinite or endless brands of products. In the same way, the world's population has increased tremendously. The people constitute the market for this myriad of brands. Dissemination of information is imperative when people have to make choices from various brands of products and services. The people have to be informed, persuaded, convinced, reminded, and reassured of these brands by their respective sponsors. The people have to be informed, persuaded, convinced, reminded, and reassured as applicable of these brands by their respective sponsors. This is the job of advertising. Advertising is about a person who has something to sell, sponsor, sending a message, advertisement through the mass media, print or electronic, to a large number of present and potential buyers of his product target audience. This is the job of advertising. Advertising is about a person who has something to sell, sponsor, sending a message, advertisement through the mass media, print or electronic, to a large number of present and potential buyers of his product target audience. Advertising is one of, and of course, the most popular component of the promotion mix. Advertising is one of, and of course, the most popular components of the promotion mix. Advertising interacts with other promo tools but plays the central role in efforts to position a firm's marketing mix as the one that meets or satisfies customers' need. Advertising interacts with other promo tools but plays the central role in efforts to position a firm's marketing mix as the one that meets or satisfies customers' need. Okay, so this is where we're going to be drawing the curtain for today's video, and I believe someone watching me right now actually got something out of today's lesson. Don't forget, take very good care of yourself. Don't forget to take a very good care of yourself. Okay, so keep staying safe and bye.